mixture. As many great discoveries start from an anecdote like falling of apple on Newton's head, resulting in discovery of gravity, discovery of Bordeaux mixture started with an anecdote too. P.A. Millardet, a French scientist working in Bordeaux University, observed absence of downy mildew on grape wines that were sprayed with mixture to stop pilfering of grapes by university students. This unexpected discovery was later known as Bordeaux mixture. Materials required to make Bordeaux mixture are water, copper sulfate, quicklime. To make 1% Bordeaux mixture, take 5 liters of water in two separate buckets. Add 100 grams of copper sulfate in one and 100 grams of quicklime in another. Stir the solution for some time. Then slowly add both the solutions with constant stirring. To make 0.5% of Bordeaux mixture, the amount of copper sulfate and lime are reduced to half, keeping the quantity of water same. One of the simplest methods to check the pH of solution is field test. To check acidity of solution, dip a polished blade or sickle in it. If the blade turns red, the solution is acidic and lime should be added. Spraying of Bordeaux mixture. 1% Bordeaux mixture is sprayed on hardy plant parts like roots and stem. 0.5% of Bordeaux mixture is sprayed on foliage. Some of the advantages of Bordeaux mixture are: it is very easy and can be prepared by farmers themselves. It can act as fungicide, bactericide, and algicide. All the diseases controlled by copper-based fungicides such as leaf spot, blight diseases can be controlled by this. It is less toxic to humans as compared to other commercial fungicides. Some of the disadvantages are: it cannot be applied during cold and cloudy weather as it causes phytotoxicity to plants. It cannot be applied to apple, maize, and some of the dwarf rice varieties.